Today we're going to bring a wallet. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's take a look at a couple of features that the wallet has. If you guys can see, it's carbon fiber. They have multiple colors. It has a clear face here, so you could actually add your IDs without taking it out. So anybody needs to identify yourself, you can actually see through here. It has a couple slots here for multiple cards. There's 1, 2, 3. And there's actually 3 cards. There's plenty of space. There's actually hidden compartments under the back too. So it has another hidden compartment, and it has layer for your actual money, right? So right now it has a demo, if you guys can see, for actual money. There is another side panel here in the back here. If you guys can see, this could be probably for pocket change too. And there's another one here, which is the entry in the back of the actual IDs. You can have a multiple. You can have your insurance or card or any kind of identifications in the back too. Now, there's another feature that you need to be aware of, which is the card feature here. And the card feature is like if you're going to pull something out real quick, it'll be coming out through here. This will be your card feature that if you want to have something real quick, you want to have it out, it's something you have. Now, the card, the wallet itself is very rigid, very durable. It's waterproof, right? Because it's actually carbon fiber skin. The card has a very good security feature. It has an RFID blocking, so you won't get any kind of thefts through digital thefts that are happening more often. So this is a great feature that the wallet also can. All right, if you guys can see, I cover my address. I don't want you guys to know where I live, but that's pretty much my face right there of my ID. You got 1 card, 2 cards, 3 cards, and then I like this part right here. So if you want to push a card out and then show it off or something, it's something simple that you could get it out through here. By pushing it out, you could have that as say you have a pass for your entrance of your business or something. You could have it out here and then just beep it in, because some of the cards they have the identification cards, they have the actual door locks, right? So it's a great feature to have it out here. I like the other features. There's hidden compartments here in the back. If you guys can see, I have my Costco card here. I have more cards in the back here. If you guys can see that. Just a couple cards I have in the back. My IDs in here. And then you could fit multiple things. And then, of course, you could have your cash in here. All right, let's compare it to my old wallet. This is my old wallet. And it was a lot thicker. It's a lot heavier and it's a lot bulkier. So we're going to compare it to see. This is fully loaded right now, right? I have it fully loaded because the profile is very thin. The profile is a lot thinner than my old one, you know, if you guys can see that. So my one's a lot thicker, even with nothing on it, right? So I'm going to be able to use this wallet. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.